Okay, this problem is for Module 8, and we're going to be adding rational expressions with different denominators in the form of x plus a, x plus b. So this problem says to subtract and simplify 3 over x plus 1 minus 5 over x plus 2. Whenever you have different denominators and you're trying to add them or subtract them, you need a least common denominator. The least common denominator has to contain the terms of both denominators, so it has to contain x plus 1, and it also has to contain x plus 2. So we will rewrite the problem here first. So 3 over x plus 1 minus 5 over x plus 2. The first term is missing x plus 2 from the denominator, so we have to multiply the bottom by x plus 2. However, we also have to multiply the top by x plus 2 because we can only multiply by a form of 1. The second term is missing x plus 1. So we have to multiply the bottom and the top by the binomial x plus 1. Okay, on the bottom here of both terms, we're going to have x plus 2 times x plus 1. So I'm going to just go ahead and write those. And we are not going to do FOIL or anything like that. We'll leave them just the way they are for the time being. Now, with the 3, we're going to have to distribute. And the 5, we're also going to have to distribute. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 1 is 5. Next up, what we're going to do, notice that the denominators are now the same. So since the denominators are the same, we can now combine the numerators. So I'm going to write one denominator, parentheses, x plus 2 times parentheses x plus 1. And we're going to combine the numerators. So we have 3x plus 6 minus, you have to put the minus sign, and then the second set of terms has to go in parentheses because the minus sign will distribute to the second set of parentheses. So let's write, the denominator will stay the same, x plus 2 times x plus 1. We're going to have 3x. Let's go ahead and write the like terms together. So 3x minus 5x plus 6 minus 5. All right, next up, we're going to combine like terms on top. So 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. And 6 minus 5 is a positive 1. And this is all over x plus 2 times x plus 1. And notice that we don't have any of the same factors on top as we do on the bottom, so our final answer becomes negative 2x plus 1 over x plus 2 times x plus 1.